welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little video just about my PEI trip because I'm going with my friends. It's going to be a freaking wild time. Right now we're going to go get groceries for this adventure, and I've never really gone grocery shopping like alone before. Anyway, so yeah, just we're going to go grocery shopping. Alright boys, PEI bound. Thank you, Emma. Yeah, they're Got our tins, Canadian things.
How much is it?
$25.99
to get done.
Yo, I feel like I'm in New York again. Yo, 360 waves. Don't mess with me. Come on, come on. We got the Rari on deck. All I'm saying. Do gang. Yo.
Ooh.
Got the do wave. You already know my man. I hooked him up with the sick Dewey on the head top.
I got the do now.
Farmer for the weekend, Farmer Kent. Over here in PEI, I got my buddy here, Farmer for us.
Farmer Warsi.
And we'll be showing you around the island this weekend.
This tastes gross.
I know, but it's good.
Holy crap, look at this house. Oh my god. Literally beautiful. Forget that trampoline. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright, so we're gonna do a little house tour here. So this is the kitchen. Got lots of good stuff in here. We got our first little living room right here. Very beautiful. And a little, higher thing. Then over here is Emily and Kyle's room. Very nice. Okay. And then we got the nice bathroom. Look at that. And then a freaking jacuzzi. Got a laundry room. You have so many chips. Yeah. And over here we have a little sitting area. Really cute. And then again, a nice little patio right there. And then we have Kent's room, which is this cute little bunk bed area. This is Matt and I's room. Just had to go with the little one because why not? So gosh. Out here, there's a big trampoline and a little tree house and nice fire areas. That's really nice. A little garage over there. A little bathroom over here. A shower. And then we have Molly and Jacob's room, which is super beautiful. Yeah. And then this nice window. Again. So now we'll just head on downstairs. A little sketchy down here, but we'll still show you. Storage area. Cool amp in there at the top.
We can't swear, it's a vlog.
Alright, and this is the downstairs living area right here, and there are little beds right now. Yeah, cute little house. And that's a little beach, a little private area. Oh, it's so cute.
Holy fuck.
Freaking rips her. That was pretty fun.
Oh my goodness, you're so cute! Hi!
Oh, they're actually soft.
Alright guys, so we were planning on going to the thrift store, but we ended up at Walmart instead, just looking at some floaties, so yeah. Just relax.
I hate your car.
myself a girl and I wanna make her mine. And she's watching her with those eyes. She's loving in that body. She's knowing I don't expose her in his arms. And I had Jesse's girl. I wish that I had Jesse's girl. Where can I find a woman like that?
All right, guys. So right now we're gonna head into Walmart. We're buying a freaking huge tube, and we're gonna buy snorkeling gear. We're gonna have a good time.
Man, if I snorkel, I have to put my hand up like that.
What crippled?
Honestly, I don't even care. I'm gonna get wet.
Exactly. We are getting
Fucking
goggles. And now we are
Show
getting our prize session. Look
Prize
at that. Literally beautiful.
It's on sale.
$100 off.
Was $220. Now
that's like
$129.
$16 each.
Is it actually $100 off?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, bus 229.
Nice ones.
Got it.
Just strap it and do it. Strap it and slap it.
Oh, you look beautiful.
I need to get a wider bridge.
It's the best day of our entire lives.
Hey, one thing I say, drink after my life. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. It's going on. No, let's go.
Let's do this one more time. Thank you, bro. You do with us.
Soldier boy, I've been in I need record, I need bro. I need record, soldier boy.
Not anymore.
We had like the most greasiest walk like there. We had to fucking go
Oh
through the sea.
shit, we're gonna have to swim through that. Alright, was this a bad idea, Kyle?
Yeah.
Yep, it was.
Oh my god. True. Remember, I'm the moral support. You got it, boys. You can do this. Do it. Day 45. Stuck in the water. Have no more oxygen. Fucking die.
Shark one.
This does not feel like doing good, Brayden? Brayden's got it figured out. Yeah, Brayden has his shit set. Knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the flip side breeze. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach
My chair.
Sunrise in the fire and sky. Never felt so happy, never felt so high.
Scoop him.
Oh, I got him.